Welcome to another day of our 100 days recipe of learning natural remedies. Today I'll be teaching you a recipe to help those who have polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, or polycystic ovaries. Yes, you heard me. Those ovaries with little cysts in them. This recipe is not only good for those who have PCOS, but also good for those whose PCOS has ceased their menstruation. So that means that you are not seeing your period. It's fine. You can use this. For today, we'll be using few ingredients, just 5. All right. The first ingredient we'll be using is mint leaf. Mint leaf is very good for balancing hormones like testosterone, high androgen that might cause hairy on women's face. Don't worry, we are using the one they call peppermint leaf. So this is fresh. You can get it from the supermarket. Now the next one we'll be adding is lemon. Lemon is citrus, very good for the immune system. Next we have our turmeric and our ginger. Yes, turmeric and ginger are high in anti-inflammatory. The last ingredient we'll be adding is chasterberry. Chasterberry helps with low progesterone likewise. So for those people who probably are having this imbalanced hormone or PCOS due to the fact that they have high testosterone, high androgen, low progesterone, this recipe is good for you. All you need to do is add a cup of water that is enough for you to drink at that moment. There is no making it and keeping it. No. Every time you got to make or drink this recipe, you need to make a new one every time. All right. So if you're taking it twice a day, you make the one for this morning and then you make another one for in the evening. So you don't keep anyone. You getting me? Add inside the hot water or boiling water 2 slices of lemon. Yes. Take one full lemon, slice 2 slices from inside. Exactly. Your ginger should be about 3 to 4 slices of ginger. Yeah, don't peel the skin. Put it inside. Your turmeric likewise, about 3 to 4 slices of turmeric. And then your mint leaf or your peppermint leaf, a handful of it. And finally, your chasterberry. Your chasterberry, you're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of chasterberry. Allow these things to boil for like 3 to 5 minutes and then allow it to cool. For the past few days now, I've been teaching you guys how to infuse a boiled remedy or boiled natural recipe. Allow it to cool down, filter, and then drink. Remember, you can use this recipe for 7 to 14 days. Not a problem. But every time you got to take it, you got to make sure that you make a new one. And please, do not use this remedy during period though. If you want, you can likewise add honey for sweetener, just to make it get a little sweetness. The reason why I say you should use honey is because honey too is anti-inflammatory and also good for your hormones. Do not use sugar. All right, you don't need it. But you can likewise drink it just like that. Make sure you take your 1 glass cup in the morning before or after food and in the evening before or after food. It doesn't matter. As you're using it, you're going to see difference, darling. And don't forget, as you watch this video, if this is what you enjoy, follow for more because we're still on the journey for 100 days of natural recipe.